Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew, and tonight I'm going to be doing some pantry cooking. I'll be preparing chicken comfort rice. Let's get to it. I'm going to be starting off with some chicken thigh. I have some sesame oil and a little bit of avocado oil in the brazier. I'm just going to brown the chicken. I pulled the chicken and I'm going to set it aside. Next I'll be adding the onion and some leek. A little bit of kosher salt. And some ground Szechuan peppers. Next, we're going to add the garlic. And the ginger. We're going to add the carrots. I'm going to add a little bit of Chinese cooking wine. I'm going to add the red bell pepper. Dried Thai basil and Szechuan pepper flakes. Add the chicken back. Off camera, I combined cooked long grain white rice and the veggies and chicken. Let's take a look. Here's the chicken comfort rice, finished except for one little detail. I'm going to add just a little bit of soy sauce over the top. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. If you liked this recipe, you can find it and many more on the Casual Chef website. Be sure to like this video and please subscribe. Have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.